This would be an example here of a meaningful and high-frequency process. And this begins with the inventor, who's writing and handing in an invention report. We support our inventors, and I will show you this in more detail in a minute. And here also the IP analyst plays a role with the novelty or prior art search. And as you may know, also all modern IP database tools provide some AI search functionalities which can be used here. Then also differentiating the prior art documents against your own novelty and invention disclosure. That's something AI may really good assist in, comparing text documents and pointing out specific details, and also in the drafting process. I will show you this also in detail on the next slides, and then I will also talk a bit about technical drawings. And finally, what these LLMs are really good at are the final quality check and consistency check in checking grammar, spelling errors, and all that stuff, so that in the end effect, a nice patent draft comes out of it. It has been really streamlined with these AI assistants, and we can save loads of minutes, let's say, if not hours, within these processes. And this is how we support our inventors. We differentiate different levels, and the first level would be the inventor having a really initial rough idea, and maybe he's not quite sure about the patentability, and here the AI can challenge this idea, maybe pointing in direction where he can develop this idea further towards a real invention, and may also give an assumption about the patentability. And this is when it comes to the invention disclosure in level 2. Here also the AI may fill out this invention report form together with the inventor with guided questions in such an interview. So the inventor can just chat with the AI very relaxed and fill out this invention report form we need in Germany for the invention process and filing. And then level 3, that deals with something we call Bierdeckelerfindung. Maybe you know this. This is an invention report consisting of maybe 2 sentences. This is my invention and it's going to be great. Yeah, wonderful. But that's not a real basis to draft a patent on. Yeah? So usually we would call the inventor and try to get all this background information, and we just try to give this task to an AI LLM. To receive this further information and then introduce it again into this invention report so that our patent attorney has a good basis to draft a patent with this. Yeah, and finally, when it comes to the drafting process, it is often the case that the patent attorney has clarifying questions. So it comes to an interview with the inventor again, and here we just should suggest to use modern teleconference tools like Zoom, MS Teams, you name it. And we suggest to create a transcript of this. Now, a transcript is easy, but this is a bit messy. Maybe you know, you have seen such transcripts, but we can use the AI to really point out the most important points of this interview and provide this as a summarizing memo to the participants, so that here no information gets lost and can make use of it.